Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. First, make sure your document has headings. So select the heading and then go to the style and select heading 1. Okay, now we have to select the other one. So this one is going to be H2. This one is also going to be H2. And this one will be H2 again. Okay. So you see, like this one is going to be H1, this one will be H2, this one is going to be H3. Okay, where this is our last option, this is going to be H2 again. Okay, we have the headers worked out. Now let's go to the place where we will be placing our table of content. Then go to the insert and then you have to find this table of content and index, then select the first one, then click OK. You will see we have created a table of content. However, if you want to update it, let's say like you have made some changes, for example this is going to be a heading 3, it is not updated here. You have to right click and then click update table of content. See, like it's been updated. So this is how you create table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.